Hi everyone, and welcome to our video on trigonometric functions of angles, where we'll just be kind of evaluating a couple of trigonometric functions here, these four. This may be review depending on the order of the videos that you've watched. If it's not review, if this is the first thing that you're seeing about trigonometry, the most important thing is this. It's called the unit circle. I just Googled unit circle PDF to get this image above. So there's tons of them. It has radian measures. Those are the ones that are with pi. And then the degree measures, those are the ones with the little circle degree symbol along the way and along with their terminal points. Okay, so there's other videos there. If you need a review on that, check those, but we're going to do a little quick review, just making sure we can handle both radians and degrees at the same time. So if we're going to find the exact value of trig functions, like the cosine of 225, I would say no matter what, draw out our circle, and from here, find where it would be on there. So, I mean, right up above, we have the reference, but even with that, I would still try to mark just this little circle so I don't have to memorize the whole thing. I know 225 puts me right in the middle of quadrant 3. Right in the middle of quadrant 3 means our terminal points are both negative square root of 2 over 2. And then the cosine is telling you use the x-coordinate for that answer. So negative radical 2 over 2. Tangent of negative 90, still just drawing out the quick unit circle. Remember, negative angles are going clockwise along the circle. So if we go clockwise along the circle, negative 90 would put us down in the lower negative y-axis. That terminal point is 0 and negative 1. Remember, your tangent function is your y-coordinate divided by your x-coordinate, but 0 in the denominator means this will be undefined. So we would just say this is undefined. That's that. Okay, so the secant of negative 45 degrees, so still negative is saying go clockwise. Negative 45 would put us in the middle of quadrant 4, where it has the terminal point positive radical 2 over 2 and negative radical 2 over 2. Now secant, let's just put it right up here, is the reciprocal of cosine. So I would just find the cosine answer first, which is that x-coordinate of that terminal point, which is the square root of 2 over 2. And then to get secant, we just flip the answer. So we would say, well, let's just flip. There we go. Now they would want us to rationalize that denominator. So this would become, or we would multiply both the top and bottom by square root of 2 to make it become 2 radical 2 over 2. And then we would see, well, those 2's would just cancel. So our final answer is just square root of 2. So those 2's cancel. That's that. Okay, and one other, here's one with radians. Okay, so radians, still using that unit circle, negative 4 pi thirds, and there's all sorts of ways we can find where this goes. We could use coterminal angles, like we could add 2 pi to that angle. These two answers would be the same. Okay, so that would be coterminal. It's up to you how you want to deal with it. Either way, the negative 4 pi thirds or the positive 2 pi thirds puts us close to the y-axis in quadrant 2. So if we're close to the y-axis in quadrant 2, our terminal point would be negative 1/2. Let's put it, we'll squeeze it right here, negative 1/2 and positive square root of 3 over 2. The sine function wants the y-coordinate of that terminal point, so our answer would be square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so maybe that's a little review. If not, again, there's tons of videos already in this playlist that has ways to go about this, so look for the unit circle videos instead, or the other trigonometry introduction videos. Okay, but for now, that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.